This episode of Photonics Hot List is brought to you by Aerotech, precision motion control and automation. Take control, speed, precision, performance.
Hello, I'm Justine Murphy with Laser Focus World. Let's take a look at some of the amazing things happening in photonics. As we age, so does our eyesight. And like any body part, our eyes, particularly that outermost layer, the cornea, become more susceptible to disease as they mature. Detecting and identifying disease biomarkers early can make all the difference. And that's exactly what researchers in Indiana are aiming to do. A team at Indiana University's School of Optometry has developed a non-invasive imaging system that enables non-contact in vivo imaging of human corneal microstructures. The polarization-dependent optical coherence microscope, or POCM, offers cellular-level resolution for a closer view of early-stage corneal disease biomarkers. The new system uses a customized spectrometer and line scan camera and integrates quarter-wave plates with an interferometer to record an imaging depth of around 1 millimeter through all layers of the cornea. It also allows control of the polarization in a free space configuration, in turn eliminating the need for a conventional broadband polarization-maintained fiber. The researchers say the POCM could offer a clearer view of structural alterations caused by corneal diseases and help monitor disease progression and treatments. Although still in the conceptual stage, a new metamaterial is poised to revolutionize industrial applications, including true one-way glass. The new metamaterial, designed by a team at Aalto University in Finland, is based on the non-reciprocal Magnetoelectric effect, or NME, also called the Tellegen effect. This phenomenon, which occurs when magnetization is induced by the electric component of an electromagnetic wave and polarization is generated by the magnetic component, is largely insignificant in the optical range. But the researchers say it could be enhanced via metamaterials. The team's optical NME metamaterial, a magnetoelectric colloid, can be tailored to exhibit specific electromagnetic properties, but doesn't require external magnetic bias. Instead, it relies on conventional materials and nanofabrication techniques. Previous efforts to achieve any kind of significant NME effect in metamaterials have been limited to the microwave frequency range. While existing one-way glass is actually semi-transparent and allows light through in both directions, the Aalto team's work opens the door for true one-way glass design. In a quantum nanophotonics breakthrough, physicists are redefining the limits of light confinement and paving the way for new quantum electrodynamics experiments. Addressing long-standing efforts to stuff photons into increasingly small volumes, the team, from Bar-Ilan University in Israel and the Institute for Photonic Sciences in Spain, has developed polaritonic nanocavities that have a sub-wavelength volume, which is smaller than 100 by 100 square nanometers in area and just 3 nanometers thick. These nanocavities confine light for significantly longer periods than has ever been possible. The team's approach involves hyperbolic phonon polaritons, a form of light in which electromagnetic excitations occur within a 2D hexagonal boron nitride material, commonly known as white graphene. This forms the cavity. Nanocavities, which are generally used in physics to enhance light-matter interactions, can then be created by drilling nanoscale holes into a gold substrate with extreme precision. The team hopes to harness the quantum fluctuations that occur within empty cavities to ultimately achieve previously unattainable quantum electrodynamics. And that's your Photonics Hot List. Be sure to like and share, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and visit laserfocusworld.com for the latest and coolest news and information. And don't forget to subscribe to our new Following the Photons podcast. Until next time.